This is the bird dog exercise. The key points for this exercise are that the trunk must maintain alignment throughout. So we want to see no arching or rounding of the trunk or the back during this exercise. We want to make sure that the trunk does not twist, so we don't see any rotation through the trunk. We want to also make sure that we can coordinate the movements of the opposite arm and leg to be in time with each other. And we want to make sure that both upper and lower limbs, so arms and legs, extend fully during the reaching phase.